Hi there, in today's video we want to show you some of the new updates in Microsoft Forms for January 2023. Our first update of the day is the new images in multiple choice questions. You now have the ability to upload photos either from the web, your OneDrive or from your document library. This is really useful for if you need to illustrate your poll questions. To upload photos, you need to click the image icon on the far right on the option bar. Once you have chosen your image via either the web, your document library or OneDrive, you just need to click on Add and it will add the image in your multiple choice option for you. You can later edit or delete this with the options on the images. Our second update is the new sharing options. Before you had limited sharing options, but now Microsoft Forms have introduced new ways of being able to share your form. You can specify on the left hand side who you want to be able to respond, anyone, people in the organisation, or people with specific names or emails. You can also shorten the URL and copy and paste it and send it that way. And on the right hand side you have the ability to send via Outlook and Teams to a group, channel or individual. There's a QR code option for people to scan and even a code that you can embed. Our third update of the day is improvements in form themes. Now when you go into your theme ideas, it brings in relevant imagery and colour coordination as well as interactive video themes too, as you can see here. This can now help you to save time creating a nice theme for your forms as well as making them more interactive for the respondents. As well as the themes being updated, the templates have been too. There are now loads more options to choose from when choosing a form template. As you can see here, we have clicked into day-to-day workflow form ideas and it brings up multiple templates to choose from with editable questions and a theme already picked out for you. If we click into view all templates, it shows us the expansion of all the available templates. All templates come with predetermined questions and themes which are relevant to the form idea but are completely customizable, making your life that bit easier. Our next update is instant polls within a Teams meeting. You now have the ability to set an instant poll up during your meeting. To do this, you need to go into apps and add in polls to your meeting in the top taskbar up here. Once you have done this, you can open the polls section in the top right and a bar will come down on the right hand side of your meeting screen, and at the bottom it gives you the option to launch an instant poll. If you're hosting a meeting and asking questions, you can launch an instant poll, for example the thumbs up and down. It then comes up with an instant percentage results from the attendees' response. Our sixth update is using multiple questions in Teams meetings. In the meetings, you can now go into the polls section and ask multiple questions at once. For example, here we can send a multiple choice question. Then where it says add question, you have the option to add more questions in different formats such as ratings or word cloud polls. Once you are happy with the series of questions, you can click launch now or save as a draft if you're not quite ready to send them out. Once launched, you get live results from your respondents, which makes it very interactive for you and your attendees. Our last but not least is images in polls within the Teams meeting. You were able to add an image in a form before, but not in the Teams meeting poll. Well, now you can add an image into the question of your poll. For example, here we're going to ask the attendees what do they think this image is, so they'll all be able to see the image within the question, and then we give them the options and go ahead and launch the poll. That concludes our video for today. We hope that these updates have been very helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks and industry updates.